Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up shipping on Shopify. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. Alright, so first up, go ahead over to the bottom left, click on settings. And once that's done, in the left panel, we have here shipping and delivery. So just click on it. Now basically everything, we need to go ahead and set it up right here, okay, in this specific page only. So at the top, we have a shipping profile. If you want to, you can go ahead and add a custom profile. Okay, go ahead and give it a name. Just click on the plus sign. Profile name, for example, this one, Fragile Products, okay, or maybe just computers. Other ones done, add in the products that you would need to be added right here. For example, these computers. I'm going to click on done. Now scroll down. The fulfillment location, go ahead and set it up however you want. And then the shipping zones. We would need to create shipping zones, okay? As zones right here groups the geographic location where you ship. So just click on the plus sign. For example, we have here Asia. It includes 82 states and provinces. Give it a name, for example, just Asia. You can add more countries right here or regions of the market, for example, United States or wherever. Just click on done. You can add shipping options right here or the shipping rates, okay? So just basically wait for it to load. Other once it loads, give it a name. Standard, Economy, Express. Say, for example, standard. You can add your delivery details right here, like a tracking number provided. So rate type, should it be flat or carrier or app calculated? Or by order amount or by weight? All right, so I'm just going to choose carrier or app calculated. But if you got this error, don't worry, you can just change it. Maybe flat. Price, maybe you should go ahead and add in 1,000 pesos right here for standard shipping option. Okay, transit time, maybe 5 to 8 business days, just like any other website. Okay, you can go ahead and choose express right here and be delivered 1 to 2 days. You could offer free shipping as well, like the minimum order amount, maybe 20,000 pesos. Okay, and then once that's done, just click on the done button at the very top. You can add more shipping options, just like what I've said earlier. Maybe an express, flat. The shipping price for express, maybe 3,000, okay? And it will be delivered 1 to 2 business days. Offer free shipping? No. Click on done. And then once that's done, actually, you're good to go. But if you want to, you could go ahead and go back to shipping and delivery. And by the way, do not forget to click on save. Okay, at the very top, you'll be notified if you didn't save the changes. Estimated delivery dates right here. You can go ahead and set it up however you want. Packages, I just sizes to get accurate shipping rates, shipping labels, carrier accounts, change the documents right here, as well as the packing slip template. And there you have it. If you want to know more about Shopify, go ahead and check our channel out. We've got a ton of videos for you. But that's just basically that is how you set up shipping on Shopify. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.